Hello everyone, welcome to part 52 of the design tool tutorial series. In continuation of the office model we've been creating, today we are going to be adding the HVAC system, and we are going to start by adding the air terminals. Alright, so remember we are in the plumbing view at the moment. So what you need to do is just to go to the project browser under the view discipline, expand it by clicking this plus sign here. Go to mechanical, that is where we are going to be drawing the HVAC. So under the mechanical, go to ceiling view, the ceiling plans, and double click. So here is the ceiling, right? So in order to add air terminals to this particular ceiling, what we need to do is to go under on the ribbon, click on system. Here is the air terminals. Alright, so click on air terminals. Let's select which one suits. Okay, this is a return 600 by return air terminal with 600 300 by 300 connection. But what we need is 600 by 600 face and 200 by 200 connection. So just pick this and let's edit it to the one we want. So you know, I've always advised that before you edit any family, it's better you duplicate so that you don't alter the existing family, which may be of use later. So I'll edit this to 200 by 200 connection. Okay, and I'll go down here and change it 200. Okay, so apply. Okay, so I have my terminals. So I'm going to place it somewhere. Wow. So none of the created elements are visible in the reflected ceiling plan, right? So you see that we are in the right view, but probably our air terminal has been placed in a, the wrong elevation. All right, so let's click on this section here and let's check where we have it. Right click, go to view. Wow, so we have our air terminal on the floor, which is not supposed to be so. So what we need, go to modify tool tab, click on the align tool, click on the ceiling face, right, and then let's click here. Wow, so we have our air terminals attached to the ceiling level, right? So I'll align this to the ceiling. Okay, okay, wow, okay. So I'm going to add one more air terminal, which is the um, supply air terminal, right? So I'll come here, I'll go to system, click on air terminals. Look at the supply here, click on it and edit. Let's change duplicate, change to 200 by 200, then okay. Then will come down here and change to 200 by 200. Okay, all right, so let's place it here. Let's just flip this particular view. Let's go to the section and do the same thing. Click on align and align the air terminal to the face of the ceiling. All right, so these are the supply air terminal. So let's place it very well. I want it somewhere around here. Okay, okay, so that's good. So we have our air terminals at various positions. Um, so let's do the same thing. I think it's better we copy. Let's copy and paste. Click, hold on Control and copy. Then click copy to here. Check the constraint. All right. So and let's pick this particular edge of the wall as a reference point. And just click, because the ceiling, the office size are the same. Okay. Uh, okay. I think let's go up here and add it here. Remove the constraint. Put it somewhere here. Mm, let's just place it somewhere here. Okay, in this case, I'm going to take this one here. Okay. Notice I'm using the ceiling grid to position my air terminals. Okay. Okay. And I'll just place some as a copy and place this one here. And place one here. And let's have one more return a terminal at this point here. Align. Okay, let's add our HVAC equipment. That is the indoor unit. So if you go to system, click on mechanical equipment. So you see the default list of HVAC equipment that came with the software. But in most cases, you may not find what you want on this browser. So it's best you load a family. Load the family. I'm going to drop the link to download the family I'm making use of for the HVAC equipment, so that you can download. But in subsequent videos, I'll teach you how to create family on your own. What I mean family, maybe a particular object that you need to use in your project. You'll be able to create it using the dimensions and various connecting points. So in this case, I will let me go back to system, mechanical equipment. I can't find it here, so I have to load. All right. If I load it, will once you click on load, it will take you to the content browser you have in your system, and most likely you may not have it there. So I will go straight to my browser and go to where I have it, files, Daikin FCU. Okay, okay, this is it. I'm going to place it here. So notice I can't be able to find it. So meanwhile, I have to um, maybe change the elevation of my equipment to the ceiling level. Go to view, I will change it to, okay, let me first, okay, I'll take it um a little above the ceiling because I will have to create some allowance for the duct to connect to the various air terminals. But meanwhile, let me just first of all take it up, and from here onwards I'm going to lift it up to this point. Right, so notice, okay, I'll allow it at three, uh, elevation of 33560. Okay, 3.56. All right, so this is my HVAC equipment. So if I go back to mechanical, this is my HVAC equipment here. Close here. Wow. Okay, so our tutorial for today ends here. Please like and share this video, and also make sure you practice on your own. If you have any challenge, drop on the comment section. And in the next class, we are going to continue by drawing the ducts, the supply ducts to various air terminals. Our aim is to do a free return